Hello, Miss Maddie. This is Melike Girgin. Today I'm going to talk about symbols, abbreviations, and note taking. While researching, I took notes to my notebook. I'm going to read it, so let's get started. Why do we use abbreviations? Abbreviations and acronyms are used to save space and to avoid distracting the reader. Abbreviations should only be used if the organization or term appears 2 or more times in the text. Why do we frequently use abbreviations? Because it's quicker to say or type a word's first initial, or an abbreviated version of the whole term, than to spell out word for word. Therefore, using acronyms and abbreviations in your everyday speech makes communication easier and faster. There are 4 types of abbreviations in English: initialism, acronym, shortening, and contraction. Firstly, initialism is formed from the first letters of a group of words. We pronounce each letter individually. For example, ASAP means as soon as possible. 2. Acronym. An acronym is formed from the first letters of a group of words. We pronounce the acronym as a word. For example, RAM means Random Access Memory, or NASA, National Aeronautical and Space Administration. 3. Shortening. A shortening is an abbreviation in which the beginning or end of the word has been omitted. For example, app means application, or Feb means February. 4. Contractions. Contractions are abbreviations in which we omit letters from the middle of a word. We do not write a full stop at the end of a contraction. For example, DR means doctor. We do not use full stop. Or MR means Mr. We do not use full stop. What about symbols? Why do we use symbols? Human cultures use symbols to express specific ideologies and social structures, as well as to represent aspects of their specific culture. Symbols, therefore, have meanings that depend on one's cultural background. As a result, the meaning of a symbol is not inherent in the symbol itself, but is culturally learned. Emojis are also symbols. Okay, what about note-taking? You can concentrate and comprehend key concepts more effectively by actively taking notes throughout class. You might be required to watch a tutorial video prior to class discussion in several classes. Taking effective notes will increase your recall, comprehension, and active listening. One of the advantages of note-taking is that you don't necessarily need to reread an entire book or rewatch the whole lecture to remember ideas over the long term. Instead, you can revisit your notes to refresh the ideas that you have encountered. There are some benefits of note-taking. Firstly, keeps you alert. Note-taking keeps your body active and involved and helps you avoid feelings of distraction. 2. Engages your mind. Listening carefully and deciding what to include in notes keep your mind actively involved with what you hear. 3. Emphasize and organizes information. As you take notes, you will decide on and highlight the key ideas you hear, identifying the structure of a class presentation. 4. Note-taking makes you like a pro. That's true. 5. Enables you to capture every point. 6. Helps to develop creativity. I'm sorry if I pronounce wrongly. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.